I used to do pole vault.
Not bad.
Put the fence back up. I'm going right over. Ding,
Ding,
dong.
ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
This is dragon paneling. The red is deep.
How do you do that?
I have a very deep voice. I just keep my voice high for the show, mainly. The image. So we do have that whoopsie-doozy. Hello. Ah! I've been exposed. The sun is shining.
Shining, the birds are chirping.
That's a squirrel. You know the call of the night owl. Caw-caw. Did you just do caw like a crow? The peking pelican is gonna have to fly south. I thought you were gonna catch it. A bug, I feel him.
Yeah, they're like everywhere.
Buyer, right? Oh,
my
you took
God.
my hair with it. Wait, whoa.
Holy mother of pearl.
We have a. What are you, a peacock? Oh, you almost inhaled that guy. Oh, she's beautiful, isn't she? So if on this side you take a look.
Oh my gosh. Oh dear.
Oh my. That was harder than I thought it was gonna be. I got nothing. You and I make a great team because you need somebody who's talented. You need somebody who's smart. And then Debra helps me with all the planning. You thought those were all compliments for you.
I was like, wow, this is like, make sure we're recording.